Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22, and today we are going to make the speaker sound quality test. In this phone you can find speaker at the bottom. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound in the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.